Human. Now I am talk about the topic developmental phases of human development. First, they are in developmental phases of human development contains 10 life stages. First one, prenatal period, the stage before taking birth. Infancy, birth to 1 year. Babyhood, early childhood, late childhood, puberty, adolescence, early adulthood, middle adulthood, old age. Four main types of growth and development. There are four types: one physical, mental, emotional and social. Physical means body growth that includes height and weight. Mental means intellectual development, problem solving. Emotional refers to feelings and includes dealing with love, hate, joy, fear, excitement and other similar feelings. Social refers interaction and relationship with other people. First one, infancy, birth to 1 year. The term infant is typically applied to young children under 1 year of age. In the stage, their physical development or dramatic and rapid changes in growth and development happen during the first year of life. Mental, infants makes their needs known by crying. They can't speak yet but are able to understand some work by 6 months old. By 1 year, they understand many words and use signal words in their vocabulary. Needs, infants are dependent on others for all their needs. Love and security are essential for emotional and social growth. Stimulation is essential for mental growth. Babyhood, babyhood is a time when babies are totally dependent upon their parents and categories for their protection and care. Consistent, adequate, gentle care can encourage the infant to develop the capacity to trust people. It is the true fountain age. It is an age of rapid growth and change. It is an age of increasing independency. It is the age of heightened individuality. It is the foundation period of socialization. It is the foundation period of sexual typing. Next one, early childhood, 1 to 6 years, is a stage of human development. It generally includes toddlerhood and some time afterwards. Physical, by age of 6, the average weight 45 IBLs and the average height is 46 inches. Muscle coordination allows the child to run, climb and move freely. Children learn how to write, draw and use fork and knife. By 2 to 4 years, most children learn bowel and bladder control. Mental developments rapidly. Vocabulary grows from using several words. In emotional or terrible words. Children become frustrated when they can't perform as desired. They can become stubborn. Needs still include food, rest, shelter, love and security. They must learn to responsible and follow the rules. Late childhood is the time period from the age of 6 to 12 years. In the time the physical development are preadolescence. Most of the baby teeth are lost and permanent teeth erupt. During the age of into 12, secondary sexual characteristics may begin to develop in some children. Mental development are rapid because child is in school. Emotional development are fears surrounding started school are brought under control. By age of 10 to 12, sexual maturation and body changes can be appeared. Needs, they same as infancy and early childhood, but now pure acceptance is added. Puberty. Puberty is the process of physical changes through which a child's body matures into an adult body capable of sexual reproduction. In that time, the physical growth, the height and weight accelerate in the first half of puberty and it completed when the adult body has been developed. On age, girls begin puberty around age 10 to 11 and they end puberty around 15 to 17. Boys begin around the age 11 to 12 and end in 16 to 17. Adolescence in the 12 to 18 years. It is the transitional stage of physical and psychological development that generally occurs during the period from the puberty to legal adulthood. In that time, physical changes are most dramatic in early period. In mental growth, permanently involves increases the knowledge and sharpening of skills. Emotional is often stormy in conflict, trying to establish independence and identities. Social development are it's spending more time with the friends when family, seek security in group of people in their own age. needs. In the addition to basic needs of adolescents, needs assurance, support and understanding. Eating disorders and chemical abuse may occur in adolescents, experience feeling of inadequately and insecurity. Early childhood. In early childhood, also called emerging adulthood, is a stage of life between 18 to 25 years. In early adulthood or emerging adulthood may refers to young adulthood stage. Physical is usually most productive life stage. Physical development is basically complete. This is the prime time for childbearing. Mental development is the formal educational continuous. Young adult may choose to marry and start families. Emotional developments may experiences stress related to careers, marriage and family. Social developments are frequently involves moving away from peers to associate with co-workers and mates. Middle age in 40 to 65 years. This time span has been defined as time between ages of 45 to 65 years old. Many changes may occur between young adulthood and this stage. The body may slow down at the middle aged, might become more sensitive to diet, substance abuse, stress and rest. Chronic health problem can become an issue along with disabilities or diseases. Physical changes are occur, hair beginning to grey and thin, skin begin to wrinkle, hearing loss starts, vision decline and weight gain occurs. Mental ability can continue to increase. This is period when individual understand life and how learn to cope with many stress. Emotional is the period contentment or crisis. Emotional status varies depending on life changes revolving around children growing up and leaving home, job satisfaction, financial successes, good health. In the old age, physical development, mental development, emotional needs are all are occurred. The organic process of aging is called senescence. The medical study of aging process is called gerobiological. In the stage of above 65 years, they attempt an old age. That means he or she are called as senior citizens, golden ager. This chart indicate the developmental stage: rapid growth, physical development, that one intellectual development. These are the emotional and social development. Thank you.